Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Whiteland Corporation. My name is Akash Lakhina and I am working here as a Senior General Manager. I'm here to showcase you our 4 BHK apartment at our project, The Aspen, which is located in Sector 76, Gurugram. Let's go have a quick look. Now this is a 4 BHK sample apartment which is approximately 3,890 square feet. As you can see, it's a fairly open and a lavish space. Now where we are standing, this is your living, dining and a family lounge setup. You can do the setup as depends on the placement of the furniture. Now here you also get a powder room which is on to my right for your guests. There is a small cavity here which we have made it as a study. It can be retained as a study. It can be made into a small bar which complements your living and dining space. It can also be made into a small mandir or temple for the house. Now, it's a fairly open space. This apartment is a 3-side open apartment and gives a lot of natural light, and in terms of cross ventilation, it is absolutely well taken care of. Now, all the bedrooms are nicely tucked onto the sides. Let's move to the first bedroom here onto my right. This is our guest bedroom, which is approximately 14 by 12 feet in size. Very nicely sized, very spacious. Even the bathrooms, what you see, the washrooms, which are attached with the room, you see, are fairly nicely sized. Now, the washrooms will be fitted with all branded CP fittings and it will be done up just the way you see. Now, this bedroom also has a balcony here onto the right, where we will step out now. Now this balcony connects you with this bedroom. It also connects with the living space here, and there is a third bedroom on the back which connects. So all these 3 spaces are connected with this large balcony. It's more like a deck actually. This is 6 feet wide in front of the bedrooms and it's 8 feet wide here in front of the living area. So it's a very nice space for you to spend a social evening with your friends, family, and enjoy a nice evening on the deck. Let's move back into the dining space. Now coming back into the living area, we'll move towards our second bedroom, which is on to the right here. Now this, we have shown it as a kid's bedroom. So here you see we made a study table on this side. Otherwise, this is a place where you can create your wardrobe, nicely fitted wardrobe in the bedroom. Now this bedroom also comes in with an attached shower and toilet. Again, very nice. All our washrooms are very, very spacious for the size of this apartment. Again, the washrooms are fitted with all branded fittings. And this here is the same balcony, the same deck where we were standing, which connects outside. So here onto the right in front of me here is the third bedroom, which is a semi-master bedroom. Let's have a look. So this is a semi-master bedroom, which is approximately 17 feet by 12 feet in size. Again, very, very nicely sized, very spacious, very lavish in terms of size. This also comes in attached with a walk-in wardrobe and an attached shower and toilet. Now, if you see the size of this washroom, it's huge. It's very nice, very spacious, and again, all branded CP fittings in the bathrooms. So this is the master bedroom, again sized at about 16 by 14 feet in size. Look around it, absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous in terms of size and the space that you see around. Very, very well lit. Now this master bedroom comes in again with a nice walk-in wardrobe where your entire storage is taken care of. And this has a huge master bathroom which is fitted with a bathtub. And of course, as I said, these are fitted with all premium bathroom CP fittings. Again, another beautiful part about this bedroom is the lovely deck and the balcony which is just outside. Let's step out and have a look. Now this balcony again, it kind of wraps around the room on the 2 sides. This side is completely open and here it runs till the end of the bedroom. 6 feet wide, absolutely beautiful, absolutely nice. Imagine sitting here in a nice quiet evening with your family, or if you have just a small number of guests, you can have a very nice private social evening on your balcony in this private master ensuite. Let's have a look at the kitchen, which is the most important part of the house. Let's have a look. The kitchen is nicely tucked onto the right of the dining area here. As you can see, the space between the dining and the kitchen, there's a small space which has been very thoughtfully created. Here you can actually have your storage cabinet, or in fact the space comes in very handy as a pre-service before you actually move on to your dining table. Let's move into the actual kitchen. As you see, it's a fairly large kitchen, 15 feet by 9 feet in size. It's a very, very spacious kitchen, very, very functional kitchen. The kitchen comes in fully equipped. When I say fully equipped, it's going to be a fully modular kitchen fitted with all branded white goods, which includes your chimney, hob, microwave, oven, fridge, and a washing machine. All these are going to be fitted along with the countertops and modular kitchen, and it's going to be a fully functional kitchen. Let's move out towards the wet balcony, which is connected with the kitchen. Here you also get a separate entrance for your house help. So they have a separate entrance other than the main entrance, your house help. And this wet balcony is connected with the utility balcony here, where it leads you to the house help's room and the washroom. We are back again into the main recreation space. I'll quickly sum it up here. As I said, this is a 3,890 square feet, 4 BHK apartment, 3-side open, 4 bedrooms, all with attached showers and toilets, and an additional servant room and a toilet. Now in the apartment, what we are doing from our side, I must tell you, the entire flooring for the apartment is being done by us. Your living, dining, the family lounge, powder room, the cavity here, and the master bedroom, the master toilet, and the wardrobe area is fitted with imported Italian marble from our side. The kitchen, as I mentioned, as I showed you, is going to be a fully functional modular kitchen fitted with all branded white goods. Air conditioning for the entire apartment is being done by us, which is a VRF air conditioning. In your living and dining, you will get ducting, and in the bedrooms, you will get high walls. So I hope you've liked this sample apartment, and in case there are any queries, in case you would like to come and meet with us, kindly get in touch with your RMs, and we'll be happy to have you over a cup of tea or coffee and have a discussion. Thank you, and namaste once again.